we doing the whole 40 swag, Colt 45. I don't usually do this shit. It's A.ware though. She don't want her face on that. Her boyfriend go see that shit. My nigga. Let me hit that Henny with you.
That's that mini picture right there.
My nigga, thank you, brother. We out here. The NY home. Stop covering your face up. You got a nice face. Don't cover it. Shit finna get kinda ratchet in here.
Oh, he's filming. Oh, awesome.
You don't wanna be filmed, do you? Got your face. Got your face.
TT raw when I walk in the door. Bitches they know, yeah, bitches they know. Mega nasty, mega nasty.
What's your name? What's your name?
Jessica.
You the cutest girl. You the cutest girl in the club.
I'm not. But I would like to know your name.
My name is A.ware.
What is it?
Damn. My name A.ware. Everybody already know me.
Well, we don't, because you've been behind the cameras the whole time.
No,
Are you shy?
I never used a camera before. It's my first time.
Well, now I'm asking you.
My name is A.ware.
And? Where are you from? Where are you coming from? Why are you here? Why are you here?
I'm coming from a fucking dungeon.
You're in the dungeon?
Yeah, we on the dungeon.
And you too. You like to be behind the camera too. But no, oh boo. You look cute. I like your lip ring and it looks kind of fly. Hi, my name is Jessica. It ends with a name. Oh, my bad.
Jessica Taylor. Jessica.
Wait, baby boys. Both of y'all. You.
They want to know your name. You like to turn up, right?